Damn, Jake Sand.
Put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. Sorry, bro, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. In my room, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know me. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show me. If I hit the shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And there ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoking. You can smell a purple punch in the air, this shit poking.
What's poppin', GE? Gangsta boy, Fuush nigga band. Back with another video, man. Hey, check this out, man. I'm going to quickly go get this mod done for you guys, you feel me? My guy Serious_Lanes, who I'm going to meet up with, talked me into getting this mod. And I'm not even going to hold you guys and try to have you guess what it is. I'm going to get the front windshield tinted, because when I saw his get done on the 2020 wide body, if you saw the last video, you saw I was there while he was getting his done, which I didn't know he was getting done, but the after look changes the game. The whole front, it's gonna black it out even more, and that's the look I'm going for. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and make my appointment. So I made my appointment that day. So we're going to get that done today. I'm about to go meet up with him. Make sure, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You've been here, you've been a family member, man. Let's take this journey, man. Let's go get this done so you can see the next mod to the car. All these little mods, all these big mods, all gonna add up to something. At the end of the day, the car is gonna look totally different, and hopefully give you guys some ideas of what to do with your car, inspire you to do something different with your car that you might not have thought about doing, because I know that's what happened for me. Didn't think about doing tire stickers, did tire stickers. Didn't think about doing the front windshield. Well, actually I did, I was just like, but I'm like, I gotta do it after I seen his. So shit like that goes a long way. So we're gonna meet up with him. But in the meantime, last night we went out, got some footage at a car meet. It wasn't like 20-minute worth of me filming. You feel me? But I did get a little shit here and there. So why don't you guys watch this little clip of me out last night, a little couple of MOPARs that I got on, and I'm gonna get at you guys when I meet up with my guys Lanes and we head out to this shop. Yeah.
Oh shit, I can't do that. I'm bad.
enjoyed that little clip. I told you it was only a little bit of some MOPARs, but I met up with my guy, Serious Lanes. We about to ride out. Hopefully, I'll get you some more rolling footage on the way there. If not, because I'll be vibing out to my music, so I kind of forget sometimes. But let me show you what he just put this air lift system on his car himself in his garage. It changed the game. Now I'm kind of jealous. Now I have to do it, of course. Been want to do it, but he's making me step my game up even faster than what I planned on. So let me show you this whip, man. Look at the stance on that thing. Look at the stance on this thing. So now when he comes and parks, he gets to just drop this motherfucker all the way down, you feel me? And I like how he changed his YouTube banner to just being a play button to saying YouTube so people know what it is, because some people still act like they get confused with the play button. There he is, right there. You know what I'm saying? What's so serious? Yeah, why so serious? Yeah. What up, Brody? What's going down, bro? You alright? Man, you look rested now. Bro, I got some sleep last night. Bro, I'm not gonna hold you. When I got home, boy, I was in pain, bro. My shit started. I knew you looked like you was hurt. Spasm, bro. I was in pain, bro. Listen, I'm gonna get you guys. I'm told you I'm gonna try to get some footage on the way there, and then I'm gonna turn the camera on when we get there and shit like that. Hopefully, don't get copyrighted because he has music playing when he's doing his mouth. So I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute. Hey. Made it here finally. Oh, listen, last time I showed you guys this truck on my I showed you this truck and it wasn't finished. The whole front end was missing and stuff like this. But when I show you this goddamn Dodge Ram and what he did to this thing, this motherfucker different, bro. It's a short, it's a two-door. This motherfucker hard. It look better than the 4-door. Check this out. Look at that goddamn splitter, man. God damn, you see that motherfucker say MOPAR in that bitch too. God damn. Shit. Look at his fog lights though. LED like a motherfucker. Headlight got the little red joint up in there. Right on the tire. So I want to show you guys that. As you see, it's about to go in the shop. You know what I mean? Get this window tint. I'm gonna show you. You see this one right here, right? This is what inspired me to do it. Serious Lane. You see that fucking windshield? Yeah. Can't even see in that goddamn thing. That's what we going for. Except for it might look a little different since mine is black on black. You know what I mean? You got like the dark gray interior. But this is a little before. I don't know if you want to cover in here, but I know in that back seat, like that back area, I don't know if you want that tank right there though, because when the tank goes, and then I'm showing you guys the after, because it's going in this right here. So I'm gonna get at you guys when he's all said and done. Enjoy this rolling footage that I got of the wide body with that new airlift thing on there. Enjoy that footage until I come back with the finished product of the new mod on the Chrysler 300S, man. Gang, we going up, man. 2K subscribers. Next milestone, 5K, man. Support your boy. Share the videos, man. Get these videos out there, you feel me? Follow my guy, Serious_Lanes, you feel me? Get that wide body out there, that 2020, man. We're trying to turn up in Washington, you feel me? So, yeah, enjoy this footage, man. I'm gonna get at you guys when he's done. All right, y'all, so he's finished with the car finally. I'm gonna show you guys the front windshield finally done. It just blacks out this car more Michael Knight-ish. It's ridiculous, bro. Shout out to Serious_Lanes for letting me see his whip. He's inspiring me to do mine. So let me show you guys this thing, man. We're gonna do a walk around, matter of fact. Y'all gonna come around that shit, bro. All right, check this out. Interior. This shit looks nice, bro. This shit is hard. Oh yeah. Big roller. That's crazy. Yeah, shout out to my guy AZUL. He hooked it up. You guys seen this truck? I got the same. I got 45% on it online. If you seen that Dodge Ram that I showed you in the beginning of the video, he has 45%. I kind of like that for where that was at. Not too dark, not too light. It's right in the middle for me. Black interior, I figured I was doing that stuff. Leave in the comments, let me know what you guys think of this, man. Let me know if you guys have done that. If you guys are scared to do it. If you're in California, I think wouldn't do that shit because California does not play with the tint of anything, you know what I mean? So this is a major mod for me. I like it. Wasn't too expensive, but it gets the job done, you know what I mean? So run it up in the comments. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna introduce you to the guy, AZUL. I appreciate that, man. Tell me the Instagram, bro.
Instagram, El Azul 34.
I'll have it pop up on the screen so you guys can go check his gram out. That motherfucker is hard as a motherfucker. This is what he does. This is his shop. You know what I mean? Light work, but this shit gets, bro. He be busy, though. I've seen his Instagram, all his stories. He be having all kind of cars here that come through, get the limo tint, the 5% tint, the windshields, everything. So, we will be back because I think he's gonna do something from here, and here. So stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? In the meantime, I think Serious_Lanes got some shit coming up with him. You know what I mean? He's gonna get done to his car or his truck. You know he got that Ram too, that RT. So I appreciate that, man. We're gonna be out of here, man. This is the end of this video. I'm gonna go get some photos today. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, get it out there. Let me know if this is something you guys want to do. Have you done? And have you ever got pulled over for it? Big, we not doing none of that type of shit. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy Fuush, nigga.